All right, we're it's like almost 5:20, 5:18, I think it is. Here's a deck again, and we had one more branch full about an hour and a half ago, and just now this last branch fell. Maybe, yeah, and some of these over here. There goes, I think that one there. So we just keep getting branches coming. You can see the snow. It's not really much. All right. So let's see. Let's see if you can see that. I don't know. Maybe 2 inches, 3. Nah, maybe 2. I don't think it's 3. I'm not gonna even going out there to measure it. Oh wow. There's also a branch up on the roof. I don't know how big it is. Alright, branches from this tree here. Here's another branch over here that fell off to the side. And I can't get over there. Let me see if I can break this. Right here. Here's another. Oh, look at this. It's almost like ice. It's a very wet snow. Here are branches over on this side. Okay, let me see if we can get in a little more. And they're big branches, they're not small. There you go, it's broken. That was up on the tree, that was up on the tree. There's some back there too. And let me stop it here.